Sorry I didn't videotape this from the beginning because this is the first time I ever did this. On these new cars, headlights are a fucking pain in the ass. This one blew out a couple days ago. Fucking bulbs are expensive. But let's just go. This Chrysler 200. And you're going to have to take this whole, unbuckle this whole front end right here. You have to unbuckle it. And how you do that from the start, you're going to have little black rivets, and you're going to have a screw here, and I want to say a screw over here. Rest of them are these little black rivets. All this right here in the front is just snap and groove. And after you get this all undone, this loosens this part up, and you're going to have a screw right down in here that you can get to relatively easy. Once you get this all loosened up, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and then I'm going to show you how easy this is. But you're going to have to come, excuse my lighting, but you're going to have to come down here and undo all these screws. I think they're 10 millimeters. You're going to unscrew that from the flat, and this is how easy this pops off. Let's see if I can get some damn lighting in here. See how that easy that was? Just pull on it, and you got a screw right down in here. Excuse my lighting. Like I said, guys, I'm running low on battery, and I was wanting to be a help to somebody. And that just snaps in there like that. Look how smooth that looks. But bam. But that's it. When you get to the back, there's a cap right here that I got that goes on the back of it. It just ties down clockwise, tighten it counterclockwise. It's in the back here that covers it, weather seals it. But other than that, it's just a big old puzzle that snaps in. You snap your grill in, you can just pull back like this. Once it's all snapped in, snaps that all back in nice and tight. But I do gotta say, Chrysler really makes it fucking hard to change one fucking headlight. But other than that, it looks good, and I hope this video helps you. All the other videos is about 6 minutes long. I'm Big Dave. I cut straight to the fucking point. But like I said, your rivets, they just pop up with a screwdriver and just pull them out with some needle nose or something. But other than that, that's it. That's how you replace the headlight Chrysler 200. You got to take this whole fucking bumper off. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, please ask, and I try to help you. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a redneck that knows how to change shit and fucking YouTube it, baby. Peace, love, and world happiness.